Welcome to the jam, everybody.
The Sober Jam was started really as an idea between Gibson and some of the group members. It was born as a place to try to create a safe, sober space for musicians to come and just experience what it was like to play sober without any kind of pressure or expectations on the stage.
I've been sober for 10 plus years, and the jam has been essential in helping me grow as a musician and helping other musicians get sober.
And passed away 7 months ago today, and 24 hours after that, I actually flatlined myself. 2 months and 24 hours after that, I decided to stop taking methadone, and I'll have 5 months clean.
I had played music when I was about 13. I started writing music. I actually took piano lessons as a kid, and I stopped playing because of my drug addiction and alcoholism. And so when I got sober, I was really looking for a way to release that part of myself that I wasn't really able to whenever I was using and drinking.
Well, it gave me personally the ability to get back into the act of playing live.
Something that we talk about a lot from stage is that the Sober Jam is not about your talent, it is about your courage.
A lot of the time we're so used to covering up our feelings and emotions with alcohol and drugs, and the Sober Jam is like a safe place for people in treatment centers, for people that just want to get up and jam, to just come and just be themselves.
Sober Jam is a community, and there are values that are upheld here. Creativity, fun, support.
I'm a family man now. I have 2 kids, a 5-year-old and a 2-year-old, and sorry. I just never would have pictured that 10 years ago.
A lot of folks are coming from a background where that may be the first time they've performed ever. And some folks are coming from a background where it's the first time they perform sober.
Well, the reason I'm still involved is, I think, a number of things, but one is helping out the young artists, that's coming in, especially the new guys sobering up, and being there for them. Giving them what I was given. My life's changed dramatically since I sobered up. I have a family, beautiful family, and recently just had a baby daughter that was born, what they call a micro preemie, and 1 pound 3 ounces, and we've been dealing with that for the last year and a half, and the sobriety and the MusiCares has both been tremendous help in that. Just having that foundation and having those people there to kind of fall back on.
It's inspiring for me to see a lot of strangers come together and support one another in an area that is so vulnerable to everyone.